Hello everyone, I want to do something different and show you how to make a treatment at home using food ingredients to treat your scalp for dandruff, scaly scalp or dry scalp. Let's go to my kitchen. So here are the ingredients. I'm going to use fresh avocado, probably a quarter because I have short hair. If you have longer hair, you can use a half or a whole. I'm going to use 3 full droppers of Feed Your Sunshine. Feed Your Sunshine is really wonderful. Besides the carrier oils that will moisturize your scalp, it also has tea tree in it, which is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial, lifesaver for dandruff. And I'm going to use literally half a spoon of apple cider vinegar in it as well. So let's go and mix it up. I mean, you can use a blender if you want. I'm just gonna use it manually just because I kind of like the old-fashioned way of doing things. And I'm going to use 3 full droppers of Feed Your Sunshine and half a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also clarifying the scalp, and it's really a wonderful ingredient to have at home anyways. So mash it, mash it, mash it, and it's ready to apply. Okay, I'm ready to apply what we mixed. And the application also, I want to make sure that I apply it in sections to all the areas that need help, and saturate the scalp and hair, and go into that deep breathing and smell the aromas of the essential oils for the few minutes that you have it on. I mean, you can leave it anywhere from 10 minutes to 2 hours. Have fun, guys.